Welcome to Njenje Media TV. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. Today in Abuja, there was a mild drama at the Wuse Zone 2 Magistrate Court as the founder and the CEO of Sahara Reporters and the human rights activist, former presidential aspirant, entered the court in Abuja today, being Tuesday, the 2nd of March 2021. Sowore turned up with a native doctor, some people referred to as Juju Man. The traditionalist was seen waving his horsewhip and gourd in the air while chanting ahead of the commencement of the trial. Everyone in today's court was so astounded. Court workers, journalists, policemen, DSS, and other visitors who were on the court premises were stunned by the development, while others burst into laughter. But the guy in question, never mind, he took and he continued waving his horsewhip, maybe in a view to influence the outcome of the judgment. Today, you have seen how and what Nigeria can turn people into. If someone considers that he's not going to get justice, he might look other means. Sowore was arrested alongside 4 others on New Year Eve for organizing a candlelight procession and charged for alleged criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and inciting public disturbance. However, if you go to Twitter, Nigerians are speaking up and saying all manner of things. Joe Gani Jonathan had this to say. He says, Sowore carry African insurance enter court. DSS operative Japa. The judge adjourned the matter till further notice. So what we don't know is if actually the judge adjourned the matter until further notice. Another person said this on Twitter with a photo of some footballers dragging an African player. He has this to say, this is Sowore when federal government kept dragging him. Another person, St. Peterson, said, so now this same man been dey run for president, na so una be. Another person, Ola Stacks, said, why this country never dey on top Netflix as season movie? Try Well has this to say, now because we never get producer, we just have script writers. And there is this funny one from Party Talk Event 1. He said, I had one church was owing rent and they have been back and forth. Now so landlord appear for Sunday service with Dibia, the pastor and congregation. Everybody, japa till tomorrow. It has been a funny engagement. People have been laughing and making, jest and comments about this matter. But one thing is very clear, in as much as everyone is taking it to be something of a funny side of the story, but there is one fundamental thing that is here. Let us not lose sight that there is a case of oppression. The federal government is oppressing Sowore as the federal government is oppressing you and I. This is democracy, and people must have the right to protest. People must have the right to gather together. People must have the right to assemble, even when they want to protest. What the people do not have the right to do is the right to destroy properties. And that's what the police are there to do. As long as the protest is peaceful, everyone, including Sowore, has that right of peaceful protest. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Remember to click on the bell icon. If we upload any video, you'll be among the first to see it.